Why is she whining?
Why are you whining? You know people's here. Ow! Shit.
Is that your head?
Yeah. This is Snowball trying to break free from jail.
From jail?
She's at jail for whining.
I wonder how much she weighs.
She probably weighs 89.
She's a fat cat. Stop, don't make her sick. She already throws up enough.
This is her vomit. She does that. She's a little corn dog.
Corn dog.
She's a wet furball corn dog.
Wet furball corn dog.
Yeah, she totally is a furball.
And there's the shit machine. Lola.
And then
Lola. Sit, 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 sit.
This.
Show everyone your face. Oh. Ooh, that was
I just touched Snowball's butt. I just touched Snowball's butt.
Alright, bye. I've had enough of this.